This simple storybook for kids has made over $12,247 in passive income. In today's video, I will show you how to launch a similar business, starting from generating the book idea, the main content to high quality illustration, and all of that by using the power of AI technology. So, if you are interested in making passive income, keep watching until the end because I promise this video will contain valuable information that you will find never anywhere else. I came across this idea while scrolling on Amazon, looking for potential passive income ideas from a business. Then I found this project, which is a storybook for kids. You might say, okay, what's interesting about it? After doing my research, I was shocked by the numbers these sellers make by selling simple storybooks like this. As you can see, this book got 15,114 ratings, and if we multiply that by $11.67, which is the product price, you will find out that the seller has made over $166,000 from this book alone. Let's see another one. This book got 5,563 ratings, multiplied by $11.79. That will be over $65,000, and this one has made over $42,000. The craziest is that you can publish these books 100% free using Amazon KDP. Then I said, okay, why not create a similar book using ChatGPT, publish it on Amazon and generate a passive income that makes money while sleeping. So I decided to make this video to help as many people as possible. As you know, to create a good storybook, you first need to come up with a good story idea. So I asked ChatGPT to generate a title for storybook related to kids, and the first answer was the Enchanted Adventures of Luna and Leo, a magical journey for young explorers. That sounds like a very exciting story. Then I asked ChatGPT to give me more detail about the story, and it came out that the book is for kids between 5 to 9 years old, and it is about two young friends who embark on a thrilling adventure. I really liked the idea, so I decided to move on with this one. The next step was to create the story outline. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated the chapters, and each chapter includes the scenes in detail. Chapter 1, the mysterious map. Chapter 2, into the enchanted forest. Chapter 3, the riddle of the wise owl. Chapter 4, Pixie Paul. Chapter 5, the talking tree. Now that you have generated the story outline, we can start creating the actual story content based on the chapters. All you need to do is copy the first chapter, in my case, the mysterious map, paste it into the chat, set the prompt to write a rhythm story. Once it's done, read it, and if you don't like the results, you can always regenerate the answer until you are happy. Then I did the same to all chapters. I have included 7 chapters, and it only took a few minutes to realize that I now had a complete story ready to be converted into a book that could generate passive income without needing to write anything myself. If you think about it, it's actually crazy how fast we came up with the story idea, all the chapters along with the story content, but trust me, we haven't started yet. Because what comes next is mind-blowing. So if you enjoyed the video so far, please make sure to hit the like button. We all know that even if you have the best story idea, it won't be good enough without illustrations. Here you could easily pay thousands of dollars for artists to finish the illustration. But what if I told you that all images you see on the screen were generated using an AI art generator for 100% free? Would anyone believe that? You surely heard of AI art and how you can generate original images by typing some words, and this is what I did. To finish my first chapter of the story, let me show you how when it comes to AI art generator, there are many options available, and I found that Leonardo AI provides the best experience in my opinion. And unlike Midjourney, it's completely free. You can try it for free using the link below in this video. All you have to do is open their website leonardo.ai, click on launch app. If you're using it for the first time, put your name and email to get whitelisted. Press count me. Now the good thing is that you don't need to wait to get email to join Leonardo AI. Simply go to launch app again and click on I'm whitelisted. Now it will require you to log in. Simply log into Leonardo AI by using your email or Google account. You are almost done. Put a username here, then select any of these options and toggle it. Press next button and select any one option and you are all set. Close this tab and you are on the home page of Leonardo AI, which has tons of options in the left panel to play with according to your own choice. To generate your image, click on the AI image generation button in the bottom of left panel. Here you have to explain your image in text, and it will generate different variations of images based on your prompt. Go back to the story chapters you have generated before and copy the first one. In my case, it was Luna discovers a hidden map in the attic. Okay, so now it will take few seconds to generate the images. So after the images have finished, in my case I like the first image, so I will click on it to make it bigger and click on the download button to save it in your device. Create the second image of the chapter. Luna and Leo's curiosity is piqued and they decide to follow the map's clues. I like first image and save it to my device. Then I did the same to all images, and in about 30 minutes I had the illustration ready to use. I won't repeat the process for all the chapters because the video will be too long, but you get the idea. Start section by section and generate the images based on your story topic. Now that you have generated the images, let me show you how to combine the text generated using ChatGPT with the images generated using Leonardo AI to create a professional looking storybook. First head to canva.com and search for storybook, then click on create a blank storybook. After that, start by uploading the AI generated images to Canva. Then you can simply drag and drop your first image into the template. Now go to ChatGPT, copy the first part of the story and paste it on top of your image. You can now adjust the text as you like. You can change the color, the font style, add shadows and more. I really like Canva because it's beginner friendly, it doesn't require any design skill, and on top of that it's free to use. When you are done, click here to duplicate the template. Doing that will save you a lot of time because you can add the new image in text while the style remains the same. After that, all you need to do is replicate the same process in all the chapters of your book. And once you're done, save the book as a PDF print. Congratulations, you have created your very first storybook successfully, and there is only one step left to start making passive income, which is publishing your book on Amazon. Unfortunately, I won't be able to explain the entire process because this might take another hour, but instead I have left a step-by-step guide in the description below this video. Here is a quick recap of everything you need to do. Step 1. Generate the story idea using ChatGPT. Step number 2. Generate the story outline chapters. Step number 3. Generate the illustrations using Leonardo AI art generator. Step number 4. Add the story text to the images using Canva and save it as a PDF print. Step 5. Publish your book on Amazon using the guide in the description box. Step number 6. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to see all the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.